Good day guys, Baker here, and I changed another few parts on the X1 here. I changed the motor plate in here, as well as the carriage that goes up and down, because these machines are notorious for having a plate and a shaft. It wasn't a problem on mine because I filed the hole and just clamped it down correctly. It was working good, but I wanted to minimize the length of the bolt and tube, which allowed me to reduce my retraction settings. So I put the extruder on top. It's all available on Thingiverse, all these parts here. But yeah, I'm left over. There's not much original acrylic part on this machine right now. You know, it's got this, and well, I think that's it. That's the only left. The only one left is this one. But I got a bunch of parts here that I'm not using. I got a whole the whole assembly for the unit, fan shroud, these two plates I just replaced, one of the older for the X or the Y, I don't remember, and both limit switches. So the handle, the bed plate that used to be underneath there, which had quite a bit of wobble, so I replaced it. And I've got also the chintzy little plastic that likes to flex, and you end up with failed prints. So yeah, all of these are free to grab, so if you want any of them, you just drop me a message. I'll send them to you for the price of shipping. Shouldn't be too much. So thanks for watching.